This, however, is a MetaHuman Animator take taken with an extra light put in front of the camera. That way this camera can be more precise when tracking, because it's important not to have a high resolution, but to have high frame rates. And when you shoot at a high frame rate, you will have footage that is usually a little bit grainy. So the idea is to use something like this. A camera that you can see here, this little light, comes with the kit from GoPro. So this whole thing is kind of insane that it just works. As you can see here, I wanted to make it a little bit more stable, but it works, right? I can walk with it. So I'm doing a walking test now. Let's just move out of this here area. This is more broad daylight, as you can see. Back into the studio, and MetaHuman Animator take part 1. As you can see, it's something that I think can be used by indie filmmakers, because this is as indie as it gets, right? And the good thing about a GoPro is that you don't need the camera to be that far away, because it's a wide angle camera. I'm shooting at the most wide angle option possible. That way, you know, I can keep the camera really close here and still get a full, as you can see, view here, right? Looking up my nose a little bit. Now, if I look down here at the barrel of the lens, that's where I'll be looking straight, right? If I look to the right, that's tracking to the right. If I look to the left, I'm tracking to the left. But my head is generally stationary, and that's the way you want it when you should, or you think about combining MetaHuman Animator takes with walking around, right? Because this body movement is what will drive the primary head movement, and then you can use additive animations to add these animations later, right? Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.